Hey there, folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a game changer in the world of healthcare, the portable digital ultrasonic fetal Doppler. This amazing device is designed to help you maximize your ROI, and we're here to show you how. First and foremost, let's talk about the convenience factor. With the portable digital ultrasonic fetal Doppler, you can easily monitor your pregnancy from the comfort of your own home. No more trips to the doctor's office for routine checkups. Secondly, this device offers unparalleled accuracy. With its advanced technology, you can rest assured that you're getting the most precise information about your baby's health. And lastly, the portable digital ultrasonic fetal Doppler is an investment that will pay off in the long run. By using this device, you'll be able to save money on doctor's visits and potentially even reduce the risk of complications during pregnancy. So, there you have it. The portable digital ultrasonic fetal Doppler is a must-have for any expectant parent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel and visit our website call on www.hrvatmed.com for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.